Description: RUSK Sensories Smoother Passionflower and Aloe Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. Benefits: provides sunscreen protection, adds body and shine. Suggested use: apply evenly to clean towel-dried hair. Do not rinse. Style as desired. Sensories: awaken your senses with aromatherapy-inspired vitamin-infused shampoos and conditioners for all hair types. Transforms ordinary hair care into a luxurious sensory experience. Sensories products refresh the hair, soothe the mind and reinvigorate the spirit. Breathe in the natural aromatherapy ingredients to create a luxurious, aromatic spa experience at home. Sensories Smoother Passionflower and Aloe Leave-In Smoothing Conditioner. This conditioner for unruly hair stands up to defiant hair. It eliminates static while adding shine, balance, sun protection and texture for a smooth, healthy look. Apply RUSK Sensories Smoother Passionflower and Aloe Leave-In Smoothing Conditioner to towel-dried hair for day-long smoothing effects. Features: what is it? A leave-in texturizing conditioner. Who is it for? Anyone with defiant, unruly hair. What does it do? Eliminates static and provides shine, body and sunscreen protection as it adds texture and gives hair a smooth, healthy look. How do you use it? Apply to clean, towel-dried hair. Do not rinse. Style as desired. Can be used daily. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. I have been using RUSK Leave-In Smoother Conditioner for years and I love it. It calms my frizz hairs and leaves my hair silky and smooth.